Thank you so much for watching. You're watching Esther from Stampin' Star Creations. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK. This is an edit of a social media broadcast that I did using the Sheltering Tree stamp set, and this is me experimenting for one of my coffee and craft classes. I'm using shimmery white cardstock and going in with soft suede to lay down the tree stamp, and then using Flirty Flamingo, the lighter shade of the pink, to stamp what's going to be the blossom, using a sponge Dauber and just dabbing on randomly in places a few spots of Melon Mambo. I give it a generous spritz with just water and then I slap it down. Give it a good pressing over. So this is the Stamparatus, the stamping positioning tool, which helps to line up those stamps. Now I love the look of this. You can go in at this point with your heat tool, but I was very mindful that being in a cafe I wouldn't have easy access to my heat tool, so I needed to find a way of drying this fairly quickly. I grab a piece of kitchen towel and I pat off the excess, and wow, I love the results of this. I love the way the muted pastel colours come out, and I love the results. So I'll go ahead and just sponge around the edges of my card to blend it in a bit more, and I decided it needed just something else, so I grabbed those really lovely birds from the High Tide stamp set. So then it was a choice of card background. We'll go for Flirty Flamingo or Melon Mambo. It's up to you what you go for in the end. So I'm going to try some autumnal colours this time. Going in with Melon Mambo and Cherry Cobbler, and I can't remember what other colour I used. I think it was Pumpkin Pie, quite possibly. And again, you've got those lovely autumnal colours coming through with those shades. Actually, I used Calypso Coral and I realised that orange wasn't orange enough, so I went in dry with the Pumpkin Pie and then tried to spritz it afterwards. It didn't give quite the same effect, but it still gave that really fun autumnal look. Somebody suggested to use some greys, purples and dark blues, so I chose Smoky Slate and go in, again, always starting with the lighter colour and then building with the darker afterwards. I love this gorgeous grape just by itself. I could have kept it like that, but I did want to see what it looked like with more colours. So using Merlot and Blackberry Bliss to daub some more colour onto that, and spritzing it each time in between and then dabbing off the excess. At this point I did put some Night of Navy, and I'm just going in again and adding a bit more because I wanted it to stand out more along the edges and at the centre of the tree. Again, love the way this came out. They've all come out completely differently. Looks different on a Night of Navy background, different on a gorgeous grape, and also tried the rich raspberry, so you can just team those colours up. There's those 3 different cards. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favourite. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to my channel.